Hello and welcome. Are you a railway professional or engineer looking to strengthen your expertise and accelerate your career in railway track systems? You're in the right place. Let's talk about a high-impact program designed just for you. In modern railways and metros, safe and reliable track infrastructure isn't optional, it's essential. With increasing traffic, heavier axle loads, and complex soil conditions, mastering track design, maintenance, and derailment prevention is critical for both safety and performance. Yet many professionals lack structured training that blends practical engineering with global standards and predictive technologies until now. This 20-hour advanced course on track design, maintenance, and derailment prevention is a live, instructor-led online program that equips you with real-world expertise. You'll go beyond theory, learning how to design, maintain, and investigate track issues using a systems approach aligned with international best practices. This course is perfect for white heavy checkmark track and permanent way engineers in rail, metro, or high-speed systems white heavy checkmark project, construction, and maintenance engineers. White heavy checkmark rams, O&M, and safety professionals white heavy checkmark consultants. Civil/mechanical engineers transitioning into rail white heavy checkmark, even fresh graduates aiming to enter the track and infrastructure domain. Over 10 carefully structured sessions, you'll explore small blue diamond track system fundamentals and global standards small blue diamond design engineering and ballast/subballast calculations. Small blue diamond formation, drainage, and soil stabilization small blue diamond track construction and metro track technologies, small blue diamond maintenance strategies, and IoT/RFID predictive systems. Small blue diamond rail, wheel dynamics, and derailment mechanisms small blue diamond derailment investigation, testing, and rectification small blue diamond rams and systems engineering applications. Small blue diamond environmental sustainability and safety integration small blue diamond capstone workshop synthesizing real scenarios. By the end of the program, you'll be able to heavy checkmark design and analyze track systems with international standards in mind, heavy checkmark assess ballast and subballast requirements using real data. Heavy checkmark identify and rectify track defects effectively, heavy checkmark implement predictive maintenance frameworks, heavy checkmark conduct structured derailment investigations. Heavy checkmark apply rams and systems engineering for lifecycle track management, heavy checkmark integrate sustainable and climate resilient practices into track planning. And here's what sets this program apart. Your ZRA certificate isn't just a paper credential. Zenith Railway Academy is white heavy checkmark recognized in Canada through TRACCS powered by Achilles, a trusted rail industry accreditation used by Canadian passenger rail networks to validate quality, safety, and supplier competence. White heavy checkmark certified under ISO 9001:2015, ensuring consistent quality processes, and white heavy checkmark certified under ISO 21001:2018, focused on learner satisfaction, structured curriculum delivery, and continuous improvement. So if you're serious about elevating your track engineering, maintenance, and safety capabilities and earning a credential recognized by global rail decision makers, this course is your next step. Click the link, secure your seat, and unlock new opportunities in the dynamic world of rail infrastructure. See you inside the course.